and they're claiming that he is intelligent and maybe that's how he's been swindling people. One said, Thabo Bester, Thabo Bester is now speaking like a lawyer. Another one said, at this point, give this man a position in your parliament, Minister of Finance or electricity or whatever. This man can be anything he wants to be. Now he's a lawyer. Another one said, I don't care what you think, but Thabo Bester is a smooth criminal. He's very smart. Somebody also said, lol, hashtag Thabo Bester is still going to trick you guys. All of a sudden, you are touched by his speech. Ritlod Robiwamo. Another one said, who the hell does Thabo Bester think he is? He is literally accused of burning a human, stabbing a woman in the most horrific manner, and allegedly committed treasonous acts and now wants to be a victim. Manipulation at its highest. And what the hell is Nandipha doing? Another one said this guy was declared deceased and somehow got out of prison. Shame. Hashtag Nandipha is crying real tears for him. But others think that Nandipha Makutumana is just crying crocodile tears. Another user said, is Thabo Bester representing himself and pointing out all those sections? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm afraid he is the goat. Hit a like if you agree. Another one also stated, today we had a taste of Thabo Bester, the natural-born, compulsive and pathological liar, a danger to society. No wonder he's managed to hoodwink and con many all the years of his crooked life. This is art, Mr. Mashaya. Another one also said, and not Dr. Nandipha feeling very emotional when her forever Yena is pouring out his heart to the court. Our bandla, hashtag Thabo Bester.